All right, Peggy Bundy. Y'all see them drums off of there. Now what? Now what? Let's put the coilovers on. Got them installed. Y'all see them QA1s under there. Something broke. Oh, it did. Little tip fell. So we about done with Peggy. We about done with Peggy. Oh, we do got some 26s for sale. 26s. Callers. Peggy about to be knowless. Y'all come get them. Brand new. Never been rolled on. Y'all see the tread is 100%. I want to say he got bigger plans for it. I say, sheesh, why not? We got one side done over here. Looks so much better without them drums. So much better. That's about that on that, man. We about to crank it up. Just bent some brake lines. Brake lines going for it. Go up to him. Yeah. Check it up. Tell me when. All right, that's it. Restart it. Restart it. Oh yeah. So we did find a drum brake, a disc brake conversion kit for this sucker, man, from Scarbird. Scarbird had a disc brake conversion kit for us. Wasn't too bad to install. Pretty easily, actually, if you kind of know what you're doing. Y'all see Peggy up under there. Y'all see how clean Peggy is. Everything brand new. Suspension, up ball joints, lowers, the left ones, the right ones, the front ones, the back ones.
All new rubber.
All new rubber. Damn it, if they needed to been on there, they on there. I don't care what side they on. So we about to get cranking, man. Peggy about to be in the streets. In the streets. Y'all come get them rims, man. Before I make some tables out of them. I may make some end tables out of them. Brand new. 26 by 9s on the front. 26 by 10s on the back. Standard fit, 5-on-5. Fit don'ts. Y'all see we got the glass in there now. Be back in a minute.